On the judge's countdown, you'll begin your RAM reverse lunges. The first step is picking up the weight. You can carry it on both shoulders, one shoulder, or in front, but must be at shoulder height. As per the rule book, the knee must touch the ground, the knee must be below or behind the hip, the front foot must be flat on the ground, and at the top, the rep competitor must be in full body lockout, knees and hips at full extension. Split squat jumps are not permitted. Not only are these not allowed, they're not efficient for the upcoming stations and the remaining part of the Deka. Alright, now on to maximizing efficiency. Here's an average competitor's method. Pick up the RAM, put it on their shoulder, slowly take a step back and start their reps. This is totally legal and there's nothing wrong with it, but there's a better way. Let's start with the pickup. We want to get the RAM to our shoulder and get into that first rep as fast as possible. Remember how slow we started before? Catch and position your RAM on the way down. Now onto the stance. The standard is full lockout at the top, but doesn't say how narrow your feet have to be. So if you can step back at a wider stance, that's less time to get your knee to the ground. Notice from the side, we're still getting full knee and hip extension at the top, as well as keeping that front foot flat on the ground. And this is what it looks like all together. Pick it up, drop the knee back, wide stance, full extension at the top, and get those reps in as fast as possible. Do 30 reps with your old method, and then try 30 reps with this method, and see how your times compare.